Let's make some easy homemade fajitas, perfect for a quick and flavorful dinner. We'll start off by making the seasoning mix. In a bowl, we will combine 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. And mix it all together. Then slice your onions and peppers and put them in a pan with about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Then you'll want to slice up your meat you're using as well to have it ready for later. Now it's time to cook everything up. Saute your onions and peppers and sprinkle about half of the seasoning mixture on them. Keep sauteing until it's soft and fragrant. Then add your meat and the other half of the seasoning mix. Continue to cook until the meat is fully cooked. Then, using keto tortillas, we will put a layer of guacamole, a layer of meat, a layer of onions and peppers, and top with your favorite sauce or salsa. And there you have it. Dinner's ready. Hit that like button and subscribe for more easy meals like this one.